At JustPark, we want to become the parking app, the app that every driver wants to use, needs to use, and provides a positive experience for every journey. We have over 1.5 million drivers in the UK using our service, and we're leading a £50 billion industry into the digital age. Parking is a major problem affecting millions of people's lives across cities around the world.
Everybody's had problems parking one way or another, scraping around for pound coins, looking for spaces to park.
My team are on a mission to make parking easy, to remove the stress currently associated with parking, be that looking for a parking space, paying for a parking space, or the worry and stress people associate with getting a parking ticket. And by providing a phenomenal experience by using our app or website, by helping drivers know when a space is available, by helping them pay for their parking really quickly, and then by notifying them and providing communication where necessary while your car is parked, that is how we're going to achieve that. Property owners, anyone from a commercial car park to a landowner, a business owner, someone with a driveway, a church, a school, any area of land that has underutilised parking spaces. And we connect the two, help the property owner make as much money from that property as possible, but in return, making sure that those parking spaces are available for drivers who really need somewhere to park.
With the funds that we raised in 2015, we achieved two key things. The first was to build incredible apps for Android and iOS, and these are being used by more and more drivers each day. And the second was to build car park technology, which allows hotels, commercial property owners, and now local authorities use JustPark as their parking solutions provider. Both the driver tech and the car park tech have come together to enable us to help 4.5 to 5 times more people park each day. Our apps help drivers find the best space for them in seconds. And what's unique about it is that not only do we show drivers the options that are available to everyone, but we also show them options that are exclusively available to the JustPark users.
I started using JustPark because finding parking spaces in London can be really difficult. The process is really easy. You can either geolocate or you can find a parking space in advance of parking. You then can book the space and pay for it.
We are working with a creme de la creme of providers and partners and suppliers to ensure that we have the best supply of parking spaces across the entire country.
We've built award-winning car park technology which allows our car park owners to manage their parking assets more effectively. Not only do we have a digital kiosk, we also have an automated voice system, we integrate with number plate recognition cameras, and we have an award-winning dynamic pricing product.
JustPark has made life easier for my front-of-line team members, and it is an incremental revenue stream because this area was dead space before. Now we pretty much have a 90% occupancy of our car parking areas. So for us it is very efficient, it is user-friendly, and our guests seem to be very happy with us.
The service runs very smoothly. I don't need to have much contact with anybody at JustPark or even the drivers use the space very much. It just goes along like a well-oiled engine.
JustPark are proud to have the support of BMW, Index Ventures, one of Europe's leading technology venture capitalists, and Local Globe, again one of Europe's fastest growing seed funds who have backed the likes of Citymapper.
JustPark is a really exciting business which we invested in about 3 or 4 years ago. They're really solving a significant problem. So what JustPark has done is increased the number of available spaces, made it really easy to pay, and they're fundamentally disrupting the whole parking industry.
We're incredibly excited about what lies ahead. And thank you to all of our existing investors for your continued support and backing. To all future investors, I'd love you to join us on the JustPark journey and make parking easy for everyone.